Terra Luna Classic is seeing some decent price action today as the price of lunc is, well, it's back up just a little bit right now. And that's okay considering the overall cryptocurrency market is still getting hit very hard. There's two reasons that I want to be focusing on why Terra Luna Classic may be moving up. And videos like this are always hard to do because it's near impossible to determine why people are buying a specific asset. Unless of course they go out there and tell you why they're buying a specific asset. But we've got two reasons right now. A very nice technical bounce off of what seems to be a strong level of support forming again on Terra Luna Classic, and none other than Kwon hanging out with his girlfriend in Montenegro, out on bail right now. Kind of sidestepping police potentially. Once again, we're gonna be talking about that as well. Welcome to Terra Classic Update, your source for the latest news and insights on the Luna cryptocurrency. Stay up to date with our in-depth analysis, expert insights, and up-to-the-minute news. Subscribe now to stay ahead of the curve in the world of Luna. Guys, let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. Let's talk about the price action first, and then we're gonna jump into Kwon here in a second. But Terra Luna Classic very nicely bouncing off this 8,000 point per coin level and rising up once again to what? Roughly 9,300 points per coin before pulling back a little bit. Now this could all be just a technical move and have nothing to do with Kwon. But we're still going to discuss it because it happened at the same exact time. So there might be some sort of a correlation there. So Terra Luna Classic, you guys, we've talked about this several times over the last couple of days, has a very, very solid level of support around this 8,000 point per coin mark. It hit this level and used it as resistance for several weeks after, I guess, departing or depegging back in May of 2022. Since then, we haven't tested it. We broke through when Terra Luna Class was rising up nicely back in September of 2022. And since then, this is the first time we've been testing it. So we're really seeing the strength of traders right now, and we're really seeing the strength of technical analysis holding up when it comes to Terra Luna Classic at these levels, around 8,000 to 8,500 points per coin. Good news is they do seem to be forming another bottom here. Bad news is if it breaks down, we're gonna see a technical breakdown potentially back down to 4,500 to 5,000 points per coin. So please be aware of that. I know that people don't like to hear things can go down in value, but things can go down in value. It's something that you need to hear. And if Terra Luna Classic breaks down, the next level of support is at 4,500 to 5,000 point per coin mark. Now, let's discuss Kwon. I want to read a little bit of this article right here because if you guys don't know the situation, Kwon was arrested roughly 2 months ago in Montenegro. I believe he was trying to fly to Dubai and seemingly or allegedly using a fake passport in order to do so. Now since then, he has claimed that he has not used any falsified documents, that this and that. Well, they've let him out on bail as of, I guess, a couple of hours ago. Or, I don't know, I guess it was today over there, because they're well ahead of us in time. But nonetheless, he's out on bail. $436,000 bail, which comes as a surprise, right? Because prosecutors say that he's an obvious flight risk. He's got way more money than that, the defense says. Well, no, actually he doesn't have liquid assets near enough to just fly away from Montenegro. So let's discuss it. Article goes to say bailed Terra founder Kwon, who avoided police for months, gets bail. Montenegro court granted Kwon and his partner their $436,000 in bail release, though he's not allowed to leave the apartment he's staying in, so he's on house arrest. Former Terraform Labs founder and CEO Kwon, alongside with his compatriot and former chief financial officer Han Chong-jun, have been on the run from international police for months, but they say they haven't been on the run. They were arrested in Montenegro for allegedly holding 2 fake passports. None of that was enough to stop the Montenegro in court from offering the pair a release on bail of around $436,000. Now time will tell if the failed crypto founder, known for flights of fancy and as well as international flights, actually stays put. It's an international money heist story in the making right now. Dude gets out on bail. Now we got to see if he's able to escape from Montenegro. So things are getting interesting, right? That where the exterior executives are being held. The Montenegro court granted bail for Kwon and Chun individually on Friday. The two claimed that they had property worth several $1 million in their home country of South Korea, and the bail would be posted by their wives. The court also said it needed time to verify the authenticity of the falsified passports. Dang, duty has been 2 months and they can't even tell if those passports were falsified. Think about that. Either these guys, either Do Kwon and Jang Chun or Chun Jong, whatever his name is, either they hired the greatest forger in the history of forgery, or this court has no idea what they're doing, or they're understaffed or something. 2 months to verify a falsified document. What else could they look at? I mean, I'm just spitballing here, but what else could they look at? So Do Kwon attorney told the court Tuesday the bear could stay at his girlfriend's apartment in the country. Perfect man. His wives back home, sending the money for bail, hanging out with the girlfriends in Montenegro. Very interesting. Unless he's talking about the attorney's girlfriend. That part I don't know. Actually, I may have made a judgment there. I don't know if it's Do Kwon's girlfriend or if it's the attorney's girlfriend. Regardless, according to the court, that travel limitations is a substitute for custody by considerable extent. The court said that based on the alleged crypto crook's personal and family circumstances, their property status, and as well as property status of the persons who provided bail, the $436,000 bail is enough to keep them from running. They say that they've got all of their assets seized in South Korea, so that therefore they won't be able to do so. Meanwhile, the SEC says that they have $20 million or $200 million or thousands of Bitcoin stashed away in some Swiss bank accounts. So who's lying to who? Is the SEC lying? Is Do Kwon lying? Somebody's lying, because clearly those are two opposite stories. But regardless, Terra Luna Classic, jumping up in value today. And it could be due to one of two things. Terra Luna Classic bouncing off that major level of support, Do Kwon being set free on bail, potentially running again and giving us another story. And it could be a combination of both things as well. Let us know what you guys think. Have some fun with it. And also, whose girlfriend was it? Was it Do Kwon's girlfriend? Or was it the attorney's girlfriend? That's all for today's update on Luna cryptocurrency. We hope you found our analysis and insights valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Luna and other exciting blockchain projects. And as always, thanks for tuning into Terra Classic Update. We'll see you in the next one.